Ladies and gentlemen, today we just show you this small module of the Smart G4 module, and which this one is connected to the S bus, and here connected to dry contact, and this dry contact is here to the normal switch, the traditional one. You may see from here. Now it's connected here. We will test this one to turn on the lights and as normal smart switches as the G4 doing. Okay, let's firstly to go to the smart cloud, and this one is already connected to the S bus, and the module S bus module is connected to these lamps. Go for a test. Turn on. Let's see. And turn off. Thank you.